Alright, so I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to do this video. I already uploaded one, but I want to try and do a few more takes. I don't know if this one will be up or the main or not. But I'm trying to unlock the stupid safe. The safe I'm currently trying to unlock, as far as I know, is the first one in the game you come across. Now, I was obviously able to unlock ring number 1, but I am physically stuck at ring number 2. They are not properly rendered in, the gates are not as they should be. I'm physically unable to unlock this lock. What am I doing wrong? Please, by all means, explain to me what the hell am I doing wrong? Because I would love a proper explanation of why I can't unlock the very first fucking safe PC in the goddamn game. Let's try reloading my save again. Whoops, wrong save. Oh, at least I have that lock still. Alright then. Alright, so I can unlock ring 1 of this door. I cannot unlock ring number 2 of this door. So, as you can tell by now, I've gone past that first safe. I unlocked it after reloading my save multiple times. I went through the room, went to the safe you're actually supposed to actually be using as a tutorial. I did not unlock that. I grabbed a few of the digipick thingies, and I went to this door right here. And as you can see, I physically cannot unlock this lock. The game is bugged. What am I supposed to do? Other than reloading my save multiple fucking times. Fuck am I doing wrong? I would love someone to explain to me what the fuck I'm doing wrong. I physically can't unlock this. The game is actually broken. Fucking kidding me? That first video I uploaded, it's going bye-bye. Alright, class. How many times did I have to fucking reload a goddamn fucking save to unlock the goddamn novice door? It's getting ironic, isn't it? I don't even know how many times I had to fucking unlock that door. Oh, fuck you! Another one? Is there another shit lock I can use? Come on, where are the shit locks? Give me a shit lock. There's a safe here. Alright, give me a second to cool down and I will come back.